So what are the takeaways natin dito sa content na ito? Of course, we would like to thank you, Sir Joseph, for accommodating our team po, and introducing to us the Filipino martial arts, and then sharing po the background of the group, inviting the youth especially, kasi since the younger generation po ang target talaga ng ating grupo, to preserve our culture, the Filipino martial arts to them. And nakaka-proud po na may kagaya po ninyong grupo na still would want to enrich our culture po. Diba po? At tinuturuan nyo pa sila para po mapagyaman pa natin at hindi makalimutan, di ba po, ang kultura natin na dito sa Camarines Norte especially. Sana po, supportahan natin sila Sir Rubio. Please do support
Thank you so
Pintawan
much po. Thank you so much po
for their advocacy.
Yeah.
And then, para po, matuto din tayo at the same time. It's actually health, beneficial din sa part natin.
Health,
kasi, iba po sa health,
fitness.
sa fitness. Yun po ang mga purposes ng ating program na ito. Once you enrolled or once you trained po under their supervision. Yun po. Aside from the fact, of course, kasi sir, di ba yung coordination, yung rhythm, distance management, yun po ang mga key aspects po, di ba, na ma-enhance